3 hours ago, my landscaping went from looking like this to this, and the entire refresh cost me $0. All you need is one simple tool, one rusty old pitchfork. And if you don't have one, you can pick one up for less than $50. Mine needed a little love, so I added some duct tape to it and hope for the best, making the total cost of this project $0. Now that my tool is ready, I've got 3 hours before the rain comes. So let's go.
I started by adding landscaping around the house. The grass was growing up around it, so I went ahead and just added pine straw. Within a couple of months, of course, the weeds had grown up to be unmanageable. And I had spent about $350 doing the pine straw myself because the quote to get it done was about $750. I'm just going to kind of lift it up. Oh, well, that's a longer one. Bad one to start with, but I had to lift that one way up. But normally, if it's shorter, you can just lift it slightly up and then lay it on top. So those have those big seeds over them. These little monsters. But a smaller one like that, then you could just lift up easily and place it right over. I'm so happy this works because I hate weeding. It seems like they just pop up every single day. Usually you can go on Facebook Marketplace and find plenty of people give you a quote to do pine straw for a certain number per bale, whatever amount it is for your area. For this area, it was $7.50 per bale. I just went ahead and went to my local hardware supply store and did it myself. For me, that was definitely a project that was worth the weekend to save, $300 or more. If you want to get somebody to lay it down, I just wanted to show you a quick way to maintain it and keep the weeds from taking over completely.
Everything was going way too well. About 30 minutes in, my tool just falls apart. So I slap it back together and hope it will magically fix itself. But I'm already exhausted about halfway through, so when it gives up this time, I'm really over it. So I decided to put the tool down and just walk away. To go get that last little bit of duct tape that I had left to fix it. The pitchfork top had fallen off this time instead of the handle, so I had to fix it a different way. But it worked out well and I was pretty proud of myself. So now I'm coming up on the last section here, which was full of clovers, and they were kind of in a blanket across the top of the pine straw already. So I wasn't really able to get through those well. And I really did get frustrated this time. And now it's time to give up because it started raining anyways.